In the world of modern architecture, the idea of a black industrial home is more than just a trend, it's a bold statement. Black, often seen as an unconventional color in home design, embodies sophistication, confidence, and a touch of rebellion. When paired with industrial elements, it creates an atmosphere that feels raw yet refined, minimalist yet impactful. These homes stand as powerful symbols of modern urban living, embracing the intensity of dark aesthetics while exuding a unique charm. Black is often perceived as a color of mystery and depth, a canvas that can both absorb and reflect the character of its surroundings. In industrial home design, black becomes an anchor, grounding the rawness of exposed brick, concrete, and metal with an unexpected elegance. Unlike brighter palettes, black doesn't seek to blend in, it demands attention. It's this balance of assertiveness and sophistication that makes black a captivating choice for industrial homes. When used thoughtfully, black creates a striking contrast that amplifies textures, enhancing the materiality of the space. An industrial black home isn't just a space defined by darkness, it's a study in contrast. The boldness of black juxtaposed with raw industrial materials like weathered steel, reclaimed wood, and exposed concrete creates a layered, textured aesthetic. Minimalism often finds its way into these designs, where each element is deliberate and purposeful. Black's intensity can be softened with warm-toned accents like walnut wood or copper, creating a harmonious balance that feels simultaneously rugged and refined. The result is a home that feels artful yet unpretentious, modern yet timeless. Industrial black home design celebrates raw, unfinished materials. The presence of exposed brick, distressed wood, and polished concrete adds an authentic, unpolished charm. These elements embody the essence of urban industrial design, bold, unapologetic, and grounded. When paired with black, the result is a dramatic yet sophisticated aesthetic. The textures not only add visual interest, but also create a tactile experience, inviting a deeper connection to the space. Every imperfection becomes a point of character, a mark of history, and authenticity that speaks to the enduring nature of industrial design. When working with a dark, industrial palette, lighting becomes essential. Thoughtful lighting transforms black from overwhelming to captivating, creating depth and highlighting architectural features. Industrial-style lighting, like metal pendants, Edison bulbs, and track lighting, adds a raw edge while ensuring functionality. Strategically placed ambient and accent lighting can draw attention to textures, whether it's the roughness of a brick wall or the smoothness of a blackened steel beam. The right lighting not only brightens the space but also enhances the drama of dark aesthetics, crafting a balanced yet intriguing environment. Furnishing an industrial black home requires a balance between boldness and comfort. Furniture often features clean lines, robust materials, and a blend of textures. Leather sofas, steel-framed chairs, and reclaimed wood tables embody the industrial spirit while adding warmth to the starkness of black. Soft textiles, like plush rugs, wool throws, or linen curtains, bring a sense of comfort without compromising the edgy, urban vibe. Decor choices should be intentional, blending minimalism with statement pieces that echo the architectural style. A curated blend of raw, rugged elements and sophisticated, contemporary pieces creates a space that feels both lived in and curated. Open floor plans are a hallmark of industrial design, and they are essential when embracing a dark aesthetic. By minimizing barriers, spaces feel expansive rather than confined. Black industrial homes often feature high ceilings, expansive windows, and open concept areas that balance the depth of dark tones with an airy, spacious feel. These open layouts enhance the flow of natural light, preventing black from becoming oppressive. The result is a harmonious blend of openness and intimacy, where each space feels connected yet defined. Greenery serves as a striking contrast to the intensity of black interiors, infusing life and vibrancy into the industrial aesthetic. Plants soften the rawness of concrete and steel while adding a refreshing touch of color. Tall, sculptural plants like fiddle leaf figs or dramatic monstera leaves make bold statements against dark backdrops. Smaller succulents or cascading vines can adorn shelves and windowsills, introducing organic shapes that soften angular industrial features. The combination of greenery with dark tones creates a balance, where the strength of black meets the calmness of nature. Industrial black home design thrives on thoughtful accents. Metals like brushed steel, iron, and brass add depth and reflection, breaking the monotony of dark palettes. Textured textiles such as linen, wool, and velvet introduce warmth and comfort. Artwork, whether abstract or monochromatic, can become a focal point, bringing contrast and character. Choosing accent pieces that resonate with the industrial aesthetic, like metal sculptures or minimalist wall art, strengthens the overall design narrative. These elements add nuance to the space, transforming starkness into sophistication. Living in a dark, industrial space may seem daunting, yet it can evoke a sense of comfort and sanctuary. Black has a grounding quality. It absorbs rather than reflects, creating an enveloping atmosphere. This immersive environment can feel secure, intimate, and calming. For those who embrace it, a black industrial home becomes a retreat from the overstimulation of the outside world. It's a space for introspection and creativity, a backdrop that emphasizes the beauty of simplicity and strength. An industrial black home design does not have to be impersonal or overly masculine. Personalization plays a crucial role in creating a space that resonates with its inhabitants. This could be through curated collections of vintage items, meaningful artwork, or custom-built furniture that reflect personality and style. Bold statement pieces, like a distressed leather chair or a unique sculpture, can turn the space from a mere design experiment into a deeply personal home. Personalization within the framework of dark aesthetics turns a dramatic design into a lived-in, authentic experience. While the allure of black industrial design is undeniable, it comes with challenges. Dark tones can easily become overwhelming without proper balance. Ensuring adequate natural light, reflective surfaces, and a thoughtful selection of accents is crucial. Homeowners must also consider maintenance. Dark surfaces can reveal dust and scratches more visibly. However, these challenges can be managed with the right approach, making the effort worthwhile for those seeking a bold, unique living experience. The key lies in balance, where darkness is powerful yet inviting, and every detail serves a purpose. Industrial black home design is more than just a trend. It's a daring embrace of contrast, texture, and individuality. For those who seek to defy convention, to live in spaces that feel as strong and layered as their own personalities, a black industrial home offers a compelling choice. It's a celebration of depth and raw beauty, a space that stands apart yet resonates deeply. Embracing the power of dark aesthetics is a testament to the transformative potential of design, where boldness becomes elegance and simplicity becomes a statement.